Hey everyone, it's Karen from Detroit Zone, and I have a little tip for you today to help you save some money because what do I hate? Wasting money. That's right. Okay, so some people will use one company to do their pre production and another company to do their production, which is fine. It happens all the time. There's nothing wrong with doing it that way. However, having one company that handles both pre production and production for you really is going to be your best option if you can get it for a couple of reasons. Number one, the people creating your pattern, your sample, going through your sourcing, everything about your project, they know that project really, really well. So when it goes into production, they know how it needs to be produced and they are there on site and can help the sewers to make sure that that product is turning out exactly the way you want it to. The other thing is if you have pre-production done one place and say they make your sample, perfect the sample, your grading of your patterns are done and now you're ready for production, when you go to your production house, they also need to make a sample. Because first of all, you've got to make sure that you're getting the quality you want. You've got to make sure they know what they're doing, and they need to make sure that they know what they're doing and that the timing is right and that they're costing it properly. So you end up paying for an additional sample that you would have never needed if you're just working with one company. I hope that helps.